Hello friends, you're watching India Today Tech, and in this video I'm going to unbox a OnePlus phone. It's the OnePlus 6 in red. So we had unboxed the OnePlus 5T in red as well, and we never expected OnePlus to launch the OnePlus 6 as well in red color, because OnePlus already has 3 color variants available, 2 in black and 1 in white. So we thought that was it for the OnePlus 6, but OnePlus has surprised us with the OnePlus 6 now. Let us take a look at how the phone looks like. And this video I'll also show you a comparison between the OnePlus 5T and the OnePlus 6, both in red color, and see how different it is. Maybe because many people liked the OnePlus 5T in red is because OnePlus 6 has been launched in the red color. Now this is the OnePlus 6 in red. Obviously the 6 has a glass back, so it will be slightly different from the 5T, and this is how it looks. It has a more shiny appeal to it compared to the red OnePlus 5T. The aluminum frame on the phone is done in red, and while there is a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on both front and back, the back glass has received a special treatment, says OnePlus, for this amber-like effect, as in a deliberately created fossilized resin you've seen in Jurassic Park movies. OnePlus has not ingrained something in the glass though, a fly or chip for that matter, for the depth effect that would look more dramatic. But yes, it has a lot of careful technique that has gone into the making of the phone, like pasting several layers of glass on the back to give it the amber look, and treating them with anti-reflective coating for the phone to have this glossy red. It has a more shiny appeal to it compared to the red OnePlus 5T. Kind of looks like more streamlined and not that punchy to the eyes as was the 5T. The red is not very shiny, but it's contained. Now if you notice closely, there are silver accents to the device. Particularly the antenna lines have been kept in silver color, similar to what you saw on the OnePlus 6 black or the white variant, and the silver accent has been maintained on the camera module as well. Also the fingerprint scanner has a reddish tinge to it, which shows the extent to which OnePlus has gone at putting the red color on the OnePlus 6. At the bottom you'll notice the ports are similar. There is speaker, a Type-C USB port, a mic, and a 3.5mm jack. At the top you get the secondary microphone. There are only 2 microphones on the device. The alert slider is placed on the right compared to the OnePlus 5T that was on the left. On the left you'll see there's the SIM card tray that has 2 SIM slots, no micro SD card slot, and a volume rocker. Let's take a look at the other contents of the box. So there's the usual cable, the red cable of course, and the dash charger. Inside the box you also get a case. It's a clear case and not a solid one, and when you put it on the phone it looks something like this. So OnePlus has been very particular with the cases. The one we got with the 5T wasn't this transparent. It had a slight black tinge to it. But this one is totally transparent, and it has frosted sides to probably give it a better look. And then there is the usual OnePlus 6 startup guide, safety information, and some stickers. So the OnePlus 6, as you already know, comes with a notch display, and as far as the internals are concerned, it comes with the Snapdragon 845 chip. There is a red wallpaper that you get on the red variant, and that is the only addition. The interface is the same. There is no separate theme available on the device as well. The phone is smooth and very fast, and that is what we have said in our reviews. It's faster than most of the flagships, which is quite amazing, and at this price point you get a totally different experience, which is quite rare in this price segment. Though we had critically reviewed the cameras and said that they might not live up to your expectations. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos. Thank you for watching.